Chapter 13. Work people do. Learning objectives: farming, cattle rearing, forestry, fishing, mining, working in factories, service sector. An occupation means a job which a person usually does to earn his livelihood. People do different kinds of jobs according to their skill and strength. Some main occupations of the people in India are as follows. Farming. The main occupation of the majority of people in India is farming. More than 70% of Indian population is engaged in farming. People grow different kinds of food grains, fruits, vegetables, oil seeds, cotton, tobacco, pulses, rice, sugarcane, jute, etc. The soil of India is very fertile. The climate of India is favorable for farming. Sometimes rain comes late, then fields are irrigated with the help of canals, wells and tube wells. Some people grow jute. They make gunny bags from jute for packing various goods. Sugarcane is used to make sugar and jaggery. Many people grow tea and coffee. Tea leaves and coffee beans are used to make hot drinks. Plowing a field. Cattle rearing. Cattle rearing is an important farming dependent occupation. Cows, goats and buffaloes are reared for milk. They produce and sell milk. Some people rear sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Wool is used to make sweaters, blankets and other woolen clothes. Bullocks are reared for plowing fields and pulling carts. Some people have developed poultry farms. They keep birds like hen, ducks, turkeys, chickens for eggs and meat. Goats and sheep also provide us meat. Rearing animals for the purpose of obtaining milk is called dairy farming. Fact file. Long ago, most people in the country depended on farming only to earn money. Today, people do different types of work. However, even today, half of the people work in farms. Most of the food that we eat comes from these farms, be it food grains, vegetables, sugarcane, pulses, cereals, oil seeds, or crops such as cotton and jute from which clothes are made. Farming is an important occupation. Forestry. A large part of our country is under forests. Many people work here and provide us wood, gum, herbs and many useful products. Many people do the job of cutting woods in the forest. Their occupation is known as lumbering. The wood from trees is widely used for making doors, windows, boxes, railway sleepers, matchboxes and also for making paper. Rubber is made from the latex of rubber tree. Works associated with forestry. Fishing. Fishing is an important occupation of the people in coastal areas. Fish are found in tanks, lakes and rivers, but the main sources of fishes are the rivers, ponds and sea. Nets, boats and even big trawlers are used for catching fish. We use fish as food. We also get oil from some fishes. There are many factories in the coastal areas where the fishes are processed, packed in tins and then exported to other parts of India and the world. Mining. Mining means digging minerals out of the earth. It is one of the most important occupations of our people. India has rich deposits of minerals like coal, iron, manganese, mica, marble, limestone and petroleum. Many people work in the mines. Working in factories. The place where things are manufactured is called a factory. The things we bring from the market are made in factories. Factories make small as well as big things using raw materials produced in farms or dug from the earth. Sugar is made from sugarcane. Cloth is made from cotton. These factories are called mills. Lakhs of people work in these factories. There are two types of workers in these factories, skilled workers and unskilled workers. Interior view of a factory. Service sector. Do you know how good each people? Suppose Sugar is ready in the sugar mill. It is packed and loaded in trucks or trains and sent to the big stores. From the big stores, it is distributed to the shopkeepers, and from shopkeepers, it reaches directly to the common man. Transport service plays a key role in transporting manufactured goods from one place to another. Thus, working in the service sector also can be an occupation. Fact file: Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh have sugar mills. Other services such as postal services, telecom, medical, education, travel, entertainment, publishing the newspaper and books are some more professions. People working as teachers, doctors, carpenters, barbers, tailors, doctors, carpenters, etc. all provide services. So, these are also occupations. When you go to an office for any work, the people there are also serving you. Police and military people are also serving the nation. Can you name some other services? Points to remember. An occupation means a job which a person usually does to earn his livelihood. People living in rural areas are engaged in agriculture, cattle rearing and mining. Agriculture, forestry and mining provide raw material for industries. Factories provide work to a large number of people. People in the service sector provide many services, be